Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you how to make Facebook Messenger's account private. First, you need to make sure that Messengers are up to date. After that, you go to Messengers, Message Requests. If your account is private, all the messages will go to Message Requests like this. To do that, you need to go to Settings, right here. You go to Privacy and Safety, right here. You go to Message Delivery. Now you can choose between three options. First, friend to friends on Facebook. You can choose message request or you don't receive any message from your friend or friends. Right now I will choose message request. Okay. The next one is people in your Facebook group. You allow your people in your Facebook group to send you a message or not. Now I will choose don't receive message requests. This will affect other message delivery in setting. Yeah, I will update this setting. Okay. Others on messengers or Facebook. It's already choose don't receive requests. Okay, basically that is all. If you do like me, your Facebook Messengers account will be private and no one except your friends can send you message directly. Okay, I hope you like my videos. Please give me a subscribe and drop a comment below what topic should I do next. I will see you in my next videos.